In this video, we're unboxing and installing adjustable control arms on a 2007 Honda CR-V. Let's start by taking a look at what's included in the box. Product introduction, product card, sticker, tools required for the Honda CR-V adjustable control arm removal and installation. You will need half-inch torque wrench, adjustable wrench, 24mm wrench, 17mm ratcheting wrench, 17mm wrench, diagonal cutters, 4mm hex key, half-inch electric impact, trim removal tool, half-inch short extension, half-inch 17mm deep socket, half-inch 19mm deep socket. Use a transmission jack to assist installation. Use a 19mm deep socket to loosen the hub bolts. Lift the vehicle. Use a 19mm deep socket with an electric impact to remove the hub bolts. Remove the wheel hub. Use a trim removal tool to remove the ABS wire harness clip. Use a 17mm deep socket with an electric impact. Move the control arm to knuckle bolt. Remove the bolt. Use a 17mm ratcheting wrench. Remove the control arm to subframe bolt. Remove the bolt. Remove the control arm. New and old adjustable control arm comparison. Compare with the old control arm. It can be freely adjusted in length. Allows adjustment of chassis alignment data. Adjust by rotating the center threaded rod. For installing our adjustable control arm, first remove the ABS wire harness mounting bracket. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the screw, because the lengths of these two control arms are different during installation. It's best to compare it with the length of the original part. First, adjust it to the length of the original part. Later, based on your needs. Get a wheel alignment performed again. And readjust. After adjusting the control arm length to match, align the hole position with the bracket hole position as much as possible. Align them to the same plane. Then tighten the lock nut. Use a 24mm wrench and an adjustable wrench to tighten the lock nut. After tightening, install the bracket. Install the bolt. Use a 4mm hex key to secure the ABS wire harness mounting bracket. Installing the control arm. Install the bolt. Use a transmission jack to lift the knuckle, assisting in installing the control arm. Install the bolt. Use a 17mm ratcheting wrench. Tighten the subframe to control arm bolt. Use a 17mm wrench to tighten the rear subframe to control arm bolt. Use a 24mm wrench as a cheater bar. Use a 17mm deep socket with an electric impact. Tighten the control arm to knuckle bolt. Use a 17mm deep socket with an extension and torque wrench. Tighten the control arm to knuckle bolt. Tighten to a torque of 120 Newton meters or 89 foot-pounds. Use a zip tie to secure the ABS wire harness. Use diagonal cutters to trim the excess zip tie. Remove the transmission jack. Install the wheel hub. Install the hub bolts. Use a 19mm deep socket with an electric impact. Tighten the hub bolts. Lower the vehicle. Use a 19mm deep socket with a torque wrench. Tighten the hub bolts. Tighten to a torque of 140 Newton meters or 103 foot-pounds.